guys, how are you all? Yes, as myself is Hardev Singh Rana. As you know that earlier also I was there with Herbal Clinic. Today also I'm with Herbal Clinic. Here I feel again and again I'm coming over here for my hair treatment. But the day like when I did my operation or I did my hair transplant on the date of 17th February 2020, and today the date is 17th August 2020. It's a same like 6 months has been passed from my operation to today. So I had given on operation day also one performance, and today also I'm giving you one my review. That day also I had given a review. In between period of time, on the day 4th month also I had given my review, and today also once again I'm giving my review, guys. Really, as you can see my hair, like you can see the growth of the hair, see the density of the hair, see each and everything over here. You can find a perfect. Earlier it was not that much of perfect. You can look back or you can look forward to my past photographs. That photographs you can see like it was too much like the hair was not there, and today the hair is there like. And in fact like I would like to share my one things like with you that few days back only like I went to one function where I met my all the relatives who were not attending to me, but this time like that relatives they were attending to me, and it was too good. They were replying me, "Oh, you are totally changed. Oh, you are totally changed." Yes, then I really means with the power of my hair, I can say them like, yes, I'm totally changed. Today you can see I'm totally changed. It's really just because of Herbal Clinic. Not just because of Herbal Clinic, but associate doctor, Mr. Dr. Viradia, like Dr. Hitesh Viradia, who is associate with Herbal Clinic, and the staff, Mr. Mitesh, Mr. Ravi Dakra, and Ashok Bhai, Paresh Bhai, and the madam who is working along with them. The staff is very cooperatively, and genuinely I can speak to you what happened like when I was thinking like they have told me that within the 6 months you have to go through this all treatment and a lot of things like blah blah blah. They have told me that, and I thought like whether I'll be go with that things or not. I was very much thinking, very much what gonna happen next, what gonna happen on the operation day. Like they have told me that like 6 months, but then gradually as soon as I come down for a treatment for first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, and sixth month, all the months I did PRP, all the month I had taken medicines, and they have given me a guidelines very properly. I go through it, and you can see the result. And the staff very cooperative, very genuine. I can say you can't find, yes, in the world you can pay your money, but you can't find a staff like this. Even Mr. Mitesh, who is very cooperative guy, and the Dr. Hitesh Viradia, I don't have a words for him. Like he's a god for me. He's a god for my second hair. Okay, you can see this. It's a really nice one, guys. I say to you, I must say to you, whomsoever there, like my relatives are also giving me attendance. Even one of my cousin who is very much inspired from me, and he has told me that, Big B, where you did those things. And then I thought I have explained to him I did from this Herbal Clinic, and Herbal Clinic, which is a best clinic for a hair transplant. So he as soon as like I have told him, he came down over here and he has also started for that treatment. So guys, where are you? Are you ready for Herbal Clinic? Guys, come down. You can see my front hair, you can see my back hair, you can see the look are very much okay, like both the side. Here also you can find the same, and back side also you can find the same. It's good or not, guys? You tell me. Now ready for Herbal Clinic. If you have lost your hair, go for the hair treatment at Herbal Clinic. It's too much and best destination. It's not a Lisa destination, but it's a best destination for a hair transplant. Go for the hair transplanting over here. Goodbye. Have a good time. Good night. Sayonara.